So ahead of the Paralympic Games in Paris, Narayan Singh spoke to Sumit Antil, who had created a new world record, winning gold medal in javelin throw in Tokyo, and is also the flag bearer of the Indian contingent in Paris. Sumit has shared his insights about his preparation and also about the government's support for athletes. Listen in.
Our para-athletes are ready to shine at the Paris Paralympic Games, and right now I am joined by Sumit Antil, who has numerous world records against his name, and once again he is ready to defend his gold medal of Tokyo. Sumit, आपका स्वागत है.
Thank you so much.
टोक्यो में गोल्ड और दोबारा एक बार फिर गोल्ड की उम्मीद है पूरी.
कोशिश पूरी रहेगी सर. तैयारी काफ़ी अच्छी की है मेरी और मेरी टीम ने दिन रात एक किया है उस दिन के लिए, और जिस तरीके से तैयारी चल रही है कोशिश करेंगे कि गोल्ड मेडल के साथ में ही वापस लौटें.
तो पूरी तैयारी है यहाँ पर गोल्ड मेडल की दोबारा. और तैयारी की बात करें तो सुविधाओं की बात करें तो लगातार एक हमने और एथलीट से भी बात की, ओलंपिक्स के दौरान भी बात की, तो सुविधाओं में कोई कमी नहीं है. किस तरह की सुविधाएं मिल रही हैं आपको इस वक्त तक?
बिल्कुल सर, ये बात बिल्कुल जायज़ है कि सुविधाओं में कोई भी कमी एथलीट को अभी महसूस नहीं हो रही है. वी हैव वर्ल्ड क्लास फैसिलिटीज़, और मेरे होम टाउन में जैसे साई सोनीपत में एक अलग से जेवलिन ट्रैक भी है हमारे लिए, और वे ट्रेनिंग की भी काफ़ी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं. तो उम्मीद है सर कि आने वाले टूर्नामेंट्स में काफ़ी अच्छा फ़ायदा देखने को मिलेगा हम उस चीज़ को.
आप हमेशा नए रिकॉर्ड्स बनाते हैं, वो जब भी एक भाला फेंकते थे वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बन जाता है, तो इस बार भी यही उम्मीद करें कि कुछ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनेगा.
कोशिश पूरी रहेगी सर, बट इस चीज़ का प्रेशर नहीं ले रहे हम कि हमें वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड करके ही आना है. फर्स्ट हमारा गोल्ड मेडल को डिफेंड करना रहेगा कि हाँ गोल्ड मेडल के साथ में आए. बाई चांस अगर जो मेरा अच्छा दिन हुआ तो कोशिश करेंगे कि वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड भी करके आए वहाँ पर.
जैसे कि आपके पीसीआई के चीफ बोले थे 25 मेडल की उम्मीद है, तो किस तरह जिस तरह से तैयारी चल रही है, पूरी उम्मीद है कि हम वो आंकड़ा पार कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल सर, अब की बार 84 एथलीट्स कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं और अलग अलग डिसिप्लिन्स में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, और उम्मीद पूरी है सर कि 25 प्लस में ही आएंगे. कोशिश यही रहेगी कि 25 प्लस मेडल के साथ में हम वापस आएँ.
So here Sumit is ready to shine once again at the Paris Games, and he will try to defend the gold medal that he won at the Tokyo Paralympics. So camera person Kamlesh, Narayan Singh, DD India, Delhi.
And as we spoke a while ago, 19-year-old Avani Lekra made history then at the Tokyo Paralympics 3 years ago, and when the Jaipur girl became the first female athlete to win a gold medal for India at the Paralympics, she now has set her sight on another gold at Paris Paralympics this time around. In an exclusive interaction with DD India's Narayan Singh, Avani Lekra appreciated the facilities provided by the government to Indian athletes.
Right now joining me the Tokyo Paralympic gold medalist shooter Avani Lekra. Avani, a very warm welcome. Gold in Tokyo, and now again we are hoping gold from you in Paris also. So how the preparations are going on?
Thank you so much for having me. It is very nice to go to my second Paralympic Games. I'm very excited, and this time I will be participating in 3 events, so I'm focusing on them, and hopefully when I go there I'll win medals for my country.
Definitely you are the champion in the Tokyo Games, and now you will defend your gold there. So how difficult to defend a medal, especially the gold medal in the event like Olympics, Paralympics?
So when you go to this big platform for the first time, there is nervousness, and you want to go there and win medal. But the first time when I went there, it was more like to gain experience. And when I went and I won a gold, I definitely feel that there will be a lot more expectations from me, from the country, from myself also. But I'm not taking that, something which is stopping me from performing the best that I can be there, or from focusing on my process. I would just want to take this as a motivation, so I'll just go there and leave all these things behind when I go to the lane, and will only try to focus on my process and take one shot at a time.
Talking about the facilities in the sports right now, we talked to the coaches during the Paris Olympics. They said that the facilities is at par with the developed countries, especially in the games village, in the Paris Games also. The coaches, the support staff is saying that the Indian athletes have the better facilities than that of US and Europeans. So do you see a change in the Indian sporting arena considering the facility they are getting right now?
I definitely feel that we have improved as a country from last time, and I see a lot more inclusion awareness for able-bodied as well as Paralympic athletes, and government is supporting a lot. And I think this time when I'm seeing there, like for shooting, we have seen a lot more gain in the number as well. A lot of people are participating; they're also getting inspired. So I think we are going the right way.
So right now the Indian sports is going in the right way, and the way Avni said that they are getting immense facilities, and definitely the way she had trained, she has practiced, we are hoping that she will defend the gold she won in the Tokyo Paralympics. With camera person Kamlesh, Narayan Singh, DD India, Delhi.